guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Kimby's Crafts. I just wanted to jump on here because I just received my first ever paper pumpkin kit. So you'll notice on here it says this is a free kit because when you sign up as a Stampin' Up! Creator, this comes in your kit. So I'm going to be opening this up for the first time. I'm really excited. I've read a lot about it. It's basically a subscription box for us crafty card makers, tag makers, and all things paper. So, ready? All right, so we're going to open this up together. So it comes in this cute little box. And each month it's something different. The subscription is basically, you can do monthly, which is $22. You can do every 3 months. You can do 6 months and 12 months. You do save a little bit when you do the 6 and 12 months. So I signed up for the 6 month just to kind of see what it was all about and see how I liked it. So you open it up. It has some nice tissue paper. And then, oh, this is what it looks like. I know it's backwards, but you'll get start your paper pumpkin journey in 3 steps. So it comes with a little instruction booklet. You're going to put your kit together, and then you're going to go online to see the training on how to create whatever project it is in the book or in the kit. And then you subscribe if you like it, which I know you will love. All right. So there's that. So then it gives you kind of like a sneak peek of what you're going to be getting. So it looks like here we're going to be getting 3 different cards using 3 different types of paper. So this is really nice because it gives you ideas of what to make using basically samples of the papers that they have. So you can get a feel for what everything is. All right, this is so cute. This is actually a little stamper. This is Pretty Peacock. It's like a teal blue here. So it's a stamp. And then you also get, so it's going to be hard to see these. This is the polymer stamps. So these are, peel one of these back. These stick on the clear, like plastic polymer blocks. And then this is actually going to be your stamp. So if you can see that, it's a shell. And then it looks like there is a happy birthday. And you've been on my mind, so like a thinking of you card. And then you just re-stick these. These stay sticky. They're pretty sticky, so once they stick on the plastic, they'll be on there so you can stamp on the stamper. So basically, it really comes with everything that you need to create these items. Okay, let's put this box down. So then, this is actually the paper pumpkin kit. So this is everything else that you need. So it's going to come with, it looks like envelopes, all the makings to create these 3 different cards, and you can create 3 of each. So I'm going to open this up. I'm so excited. I like this because it makes it easy to create something like really fast. You get to try out all the products, like a little bit of everything, see what you like, and see what you want to purchase next from Stampin' Up! So we have these little crystal accents for the cards. It looks like some twine. I think this is called, it's like little thread. I forget what the color is. And then it comes with little paper clips, so we'll see what that's for. You also get, so these are the dots. You can see that in here. This is what gives you like that 3-dimension to your card. And then, oh wow, there's lots of stuff in here. Oh, these are the sticky dots, the mini sticky dots here. And then it looks like paper. Yep. All right, so we have our envelopes. So there's 9 envelopes. Our cardstock. Oh, very cool. So, see, I didn't realize this. Ooh, there's so much stuff in here, I'm dropping it. Sorry. All right, so it looks like what they do is they're actually die cutting all the paper for you to create the cards. So generally, you would use your own dies and patterns and whatnot from what you've purchased prior, but this is already done for you. So there's like really no thinking involved as far as like coordinating and whatnot. So there's some paper accents. These look like more dies. I think it's easier to see. Dies meaning die cut. So this is the pattern, and it's like paper punch outs. You can see that. So that's pretty cool. So it makes it like effortless. So if you're kind of like in a rush, trying to make a card in a rush, or if you, you know, need to do something quickly, or if you just want to be creative but not really think about it. Some more dies here. And then, yes, okay, so this is our cards. So these are our cardstock pieces that are already scored for you. So there we go, a little texture there. Very, very cool. So it's a really great sample of everything that Stampin' Up! Has to offer in a little package. So yeah, I'm so excited to do this. And again, these are the 3 cards that we'll be creating within this package. I believe there's an October package that has Halloween, and then there's a holiday one. You know, so every month there's something different. And then every month you're getting different colors of the ink, which is really cool. That's worth everything in and of itself. And then you can always reuse these in any excess pieces. So, all right, stay tuned for the next live video. I'm going to actually be creating the card. So I'll share with you guys how I do that by using the instructions that they've given us. So, all right, if you've found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, let me know what else you'd like to know. Critique, I love critiques. That's perfect. And make sure that you subscribe. All right, thanks guys, and have a great